Mheshimiwa Gavana wa Jimbo la Mombasa, Mheshimiwa Abdulsamad Sharif, the Governor of the County of Mombasa, His Excellency Abdulsamad Sharif Nasir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your Excellency, my title might have gotten me access into the precincts of State House. But I want to assure you, I speak as nothing else but a Muslim and a proud patriot on the words that I want to state. There are three issues. As a member of parliament for 2 terms, I had to see the faces of parents whose children had mysteriously disappeared. I had to explain to them the agony of every single Tuesday and Thursday trying to produce statements and calling in cabinet secretaries to provide answers as to why all these levels of injustices were being done. I left Parliament after having served 2 terms with no answers on the hundreds that I represented. And I wish not to be in a similar situation as a governor or a parent, or if nothing else, as a fellow Kenyan, to see the face of a parent not knowing the fate of their children, whether they are alive or dead, the fate of their children, whether they will be able to appear or they've permanently disappeared. And I wish that this is one of the legacies that you will be able to live in this country. For future generations to be able to emulate, that we can be able to have justice without necessarily trying to target people by virtues of the colors of their skin or by virtues of their religious practices. Second thing, Your Excellency, and again, I speak this not by the hat that the people of Mombasa bestowed on me, but I speak this as a parent, and I speak this on behalf of every single other person. If there's something that disturbs us, is the effect of drug abuse amongst the population. This is something that I can assure you, there is no one here who will be able to refuse with my simple sentiments that make sure that you empower the police officers so that we can be able to flush out those who are doing all these levels of crimes, Your Excellency. And lastly, Your Excellency, when I was in Parliament, if there's one law that I'm proud to have been part and parcel of, was the Waqf Act, which is now law. We debated, we went through it, called out all stakeholders, and there's only one thing that is remaining, so that we can be able to comfortably say that we left a legacy, but we now want to see that legacy translating into results. We call upon you, Your Excellency, to now appoint those commissioners and set up through the Attorney General, and you appoint the chair, so that Muslims can be able to now comfortably receive that had been donated by our forefathers in a rightful way, and in a way that can be able to be in line with every single person. So once again, I want to thank you for the excellent iftar that you've been able to invite us on, Your Excellency, and on behalf of the people of Mombasa, thank you once again.
Your Excellency, let me call former governor and the Minister for